Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Friday, December 27th to finish up the week. S&P made new all-time highs once again yesterday. 1837 3/4 was the new peak. Closed at 1836, up 7.5. A slow, subdued post-holiday trade, but still posting new highs. The Dow was up triple digits, up 120, 16,422. Saw about a 0.5% gain there. Saw about a 0.75% gain in the Dow, 0.5% in the S&P. The Nasdaq was also up 12, 3582, only 0.3%. As tech shares have slowed their gains, other indexes are playing catch up. Dollar index steady, 80.65. We saw the euro currency up 12, 136.90. The bond market was the big story of the day. We had bonds down a good deal, 128.16 down 6, 128.10 was the low in the 30-year Treasury, sorry. The 10-year note did peak at 3%, so we saw a 3% print in the 10-year note. Crude oil was very steady, 99.70 to 98.05, 65-point range between the high and the low as it tries to make an attempt maybe on this $100 a barrel level, closed at 99.55. And gold back above $1,200, solidly up $9 on the session at 12.12. So after another record day on Thursday, where do things stand on this Friday morning to end the trading week? Well, we're steady right now. We're down up 1 point in the E-mini S&P, 1835.5. We're up 1 point in the Dow Futures, 16,423, and we're down a 0.5 point at 3581.5 in the Nasdaq. So very steady there. The action is happening in the currencies. We're seeing the dollar index having a push to the downside here. Biggest move in the 2 months that we've seen on the downside here, down about 45, 50 points at 80.18. Let's see if it can see how it acts if and when it gets to that 80 level. We're seeing the euro surge up 164, 138.55 is where we are in that euro currency, back above that 138 pivot that we've talked about. Bonds right now are down another 5 or so at 128.11. The yield right now in the 30-year Treasury is at 3.93%, and the yield on the 10-year note sits right at that 3% level as we stand right now. Crude oil is up a nickel, 99.60, and gold's down $1 at 12.11. So we'll wrap up the current action 2 hours ago before the cash stock market opened. Very steady in stocks, mixed, down 1 point in the S&P, up 1 point in the Dow Futures. I will see you after the new year, January 6th, so have a pleasant holiday. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.